Ano 'tong, components of, internal analysis? So, 'pag sinabi mong internal analysis, yung analysis within the firm. So, sa marketing, meron tayong components of internal analysis. Yung unang-una, yung resources and capabilities ng organization. So, ibig sabihin, yung resources nun is naka-base. Yung resources is yun yung nagdidikta ng capability ng organization. So, ibig sabihin, kung meron silang technology, meron silang manpower, yung manpower with the skills na kinakailangan, so yun yun. Kasi manpower is also part of resources that dictates the capabilities of an organization. Yung configuration and coordination, yun naman yung mga activities ng isang organization at kung paano sila nag-i-interact internally. Yung communication nila within the organization kung maayos. And then third, yung org structure and characteristic culture characteristic. So, ibig sabihin yung structure nila. Kung sila ba ay flat, sila ba ay may hierarchy, yeah? At saka yung organizational culture nila, ano yung kultura o yung nakasanayan ng org na yun that, pretty much dictates kung ano sila internally. And then yung performance ng kanilang mga products. If ever nag-offer sila ng product or services, kasama yon. So, yun yung apat na internal analysis para masabi mong malakas yung isang organization or firm internally. So, yun dun mo masasabi. Marketing-wise. So, yan yung mga hindi kasi, di ba, as a technology guy, as an IT guy, ikaw yung isa sa nagpapatakbo ng resources and capabilities nila. So, dapat yung configuration, yung coordination, and then yung culture, at saka yung strength ng products, yung natitirang tatlo is dapat alam nyo rin. Kasi isa kayo sa tinatawag na resources at operator ng resources. So, kasama rin kayo sa capabilities ng organization. Yun yung mga bagay na, kasi, di ba, ang marketing ngayon is by social media na, di ba? So, syempre, kailangan mo ng mga social media expert. Ibig sabihin, magkasama na yung content at saka yung technology encapsulating the content. Magkasama na yun. Hindi na sila magkahiwalay. So, yun lang po.